looking at your A string. Richard and Annie are doing a good job of looking. And good. Good. Lucas is doing a good job of looking. And you guys have to listen. This is going to be the order of our notes. A, E, E, A. Who can do that? Okay. You got it. Ready? Both on your A string. A string. Ready? Go. E. Position and take a bow. Very good. Alright, now we're not done yet. We're going to do one more thing. Let me see your rest position. What? Rest position. Good. Ready. Belly button to the floor. Feet apart. Good. Belly button to the floor. Good. And belly button to the floor. Good. Belly button to the ceiling. Find it in the floor. Go on your E string. Good. Now you got a new order. E. Let's try that. Ready? E string. Ready? Set. Here we go. Ready? E string? E, A, E. Listen and E, play. E, A, E. Okay, good. That was really good. Now I'm going to play something different, okay? So you guys have to make sure that you play those exact same notes. And not get distracted while I do something different. So, Amelia, are you ready to go? Kendall's very ready to go. Lucas, are you ready to go? With your bow on your E string? There you go. And so we're going to go E, A, and E. Ready, set, here we E. One more time. Ready on your E string. E string. Good. Ready, set, ready, E. A. Very good. Where's your rest position? Good. Feet together. Feet together. And